Wait, what's the game mode where you can like it's like 6v6 and you can like revive your teammates? It's like it's kind of like search and destroy, but you can revive.
Oh, you
Cyber
wanna do
attack.
that?
That shit's fun.
Shut up, nigger. I don't remember asking, faggot.
Yeah, who the fuck answered me? I want to talk to you, nigger. I'll stick a pancake up your mother's fucking pussy and then eat that shit with fucking syrup on it.
Those two super disrespectful though. I'm about to fuck them up.
Respectful?
Yeah. Uh-huh. Come in here. Come in here. Come in here. Exactly, bro. Exactly, bro. You're a bitch.
We've got two objectives. Lock it down. Hostiles at Bravo. Go. We're on Bravo. Stand by. We're holding Bravo.
Good shit. Good
What's going
shit.
on right there?
This is Tracker. We are RTB. Good hunt.
We've got a UAV on
You're a
station.
bitch.
Honestly, the cop.
You're. Oh my god. Keep complaining.
Oh my god.
You're a bitch.
Got a UAV
Hope
on
you can hear me.
We're taking Bravo.
My god, this is so...
Securing
Yeah,
Alpha.
you're such a bitch.
Assist your team at B.
How did that not...
How does that? Shut the fuck up.
We've lost Bravo.
A cyber attack.
That was
See?
Oh my
It's
god.
so
UAV
close. Dude, I gotta fucking clip this.
How do you hear them talking to them?
Like, every time you kill somebody, and then they're like, if they say something, like 2 words, like, fuck, like, oh my god, like, you'll hear them. Easy work.
Damn, fucking bullshit.
Fucking
Shut up.
trash.
Easy word fucking raping your mother. Shut the fuck up.
Kyle, you fucking...
Fucking trash. Find a new game. Find a new game and then try to win.
Shut up, faggot. Shut up, faggot.